Morse drum rollers give you a simple, controlled way to mix the contents of a drum. With manual mixing methods, you risk mess and exposure to dangerous substances. With a drum roller, you can keep the product sealed and automatically roll it to blend liquids or powders right inside the drum. Morse offers a variety of options to match your operation. For a dedicated mixing station, the 5154 series lets you load a drum onto the rollers and choose fixed or variable speed rotation to match your material and your process. For flexible setups and smaller work areas, portable drum rollers give you a compact solution. The 456 series lets you load an upright drum at floor level, then power tilt it into place, giving you a hands-off mix without wrestling the drum into position. If drum mixing is a part of your workflow, Morse drum rollers help you mix cleaner, safer, and more consistently. Learn more about our line of drum rollers at morsedrum.com.